Here we go. So we're gonna make the blueberry and oatmeal, rolled oatmeal. As you can see, we got honey, and this is a third cup of honey, and peanut butter. Now when I purchase peanut butter, I always get the one with no salt or sugar, because we're going to be giving this to the dog. The honey is the natural sugar, and a lot of people who will say, well, honey has it too, but this is the natural sugar, so as long as we don't add any sugar or salt, I'm fine. We got rolled oat, and we got blueberry. I had to melt it, and we'll be showing you how we did that. We let it simmer for about 7 minutes. And kind of mash it a little bit. We don't need to smash all of the blueberries. Now back to this. We have the blueberries melted, and I even mashed it a little bit so it's not all whole. And then we have the organic oat flour here, and we're going to have a third cup of that. Okay? So let's go ahead and mix it together. I'm going to put the oat flour in first. There we go. Got that out of the way. We're going to put now this is going to be a no-bake blueberry oatmeal bar. Okay. I think you just saw my husband in the background. Here we go. Okay, now we got the peanut butter. Alrighty. Then we're gonna put honey. Mix it together. It looks good. Put it in the pan. There we go. Okay, now you can see that I flattened it inside the pan, and then we'll refrigerate it overnight, and we'll give it a try tomorrow. We are back. Let's give this a try. Remember we made this? And Mommy give it a cut. You can see it. The blueberry. It's so good. I'm gonna taste it. You actually taste the peanut butter and the blueberry and the rolled oat. I wonder if the kitty cat will want some. You want some? No? Just for dogs and us human. It is tasty. I love it. Wow. We had it in the refrigerator overnight. And then I left it out for like a half an hour so it's not cold. And it is very good and it's moist. But, what do you think? What would you rate it, Chip? A 10 out of 10? I agree. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our links and check us out. Thank you so much. We're going to enjoy this. What do you think? The kitty liked it?